Hey creative friends, Rebecca here. I have another Five Below crafting kit that I want to try out today. This one is a diamond painting kit, and this was $4, and I just love the packaging here. So with this little heart-shaped carabiner, I just love it. So anyway, we'll give this a try. This is my third and last video of these craft kits. I did a puzzle that I loved for $1, and then I did the punch needle kit that was $5, and so I love both of those. This one is diamond painting, and I have to be honest with you, I've never tried diamond painting before. In fact, I've never really wanted to. It just looks like it's too tedious. I don't have enough patience for these tiny little pieces, but I do love some bling. So let's give this a whirl. Maybe it will change my mind on diamond painting. So if you've tried diamond painting, let me know if you like it. But at any rate, for $4, we can give this a try. And these cards look like they really didn't have a whole lot of diamonds to put on them. So they should go pretty quickly. And then they'll look really cute with some bling on there. So I don't know, I really like that snowflake pattern. I think that's really cool. But I'm going to go for this snowman first, and we'll give it a try. So it looks like there is 0 instructions. And so it looks like these are labeled, and we've got, and that's another thing I've never really wanted to try diamond painting. My eyesight is not so great anymore, so this is going to be tricky. So it looks like each and every little dot is labeled with the color that you're supposed to stick there. Oh, and it looks like, oh, there's a covering on these cards. This is probably pretty typical for diamond painting, I'm assuming. There's a little bit of stickiness there. Yeah, okay. So every one of these has a label. I'm going to have to really zoom in on that and figure out what color goes where. And then make sure I've got the appropriate color to stick on there, and then hopefully the cats will keep on snoozing in the sun and leave me alone. So all right, wish me luck. I'm gonna see how this goes and figure out how to do diamond painting. Thanks. Okay, so it seems like this is wax, and it does have a protective covering over it. And I need to get a little bit of wax in the tip of this tool. And then that will now be able to help me pick up the little diamond bits and place them one by one on this postcard. So perfect. So that picked up the little diamond bit. And then again, the postcard's got a cover over it because it is sticky already. And there we go. There's my first little diamond bit. And yeah, so I guess the wax, they didn't give you a whole lot of wax, but probably don't need a whole lot. I guess as it wears down, may need to refill, or when I start fresh. But it looks like I'm in the groove now. So diamond painting. Yeah, look at these little diamond bits. They sure do shine in the light. I've got lots of natural sunlight coming in right now, so they really do glimmer. Alright, so yeah, I can see why people like this. It's just yeah, have to have a lot of patience, but these nice redundant type tasks are good stress relief. But boy, would this make a mess if these little trays fall off the table or the cat comes through. Yeah, very cool. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and then show you the finished snowman. All right, well, the cat did come by. She was more interested in shadows than playing with these tiny little pieces. But it is a bit messy. Make sure you've got some good space, and yeah, these teeny tiny little gems, they could go everywhere if you're not careful. But all in all, this was a pretty cute little kit. I just have decided that diamond painting is not for me. I absolutely love these, and now super impressed with people that will fill in huge posters with these diamond prints, with these teeny tiny little pieces. But look at the bling. That bling really is cool, and it's satisfying. But yeah, just not a craft I really have the patience or the eyesight for. But all in all, I'd recommend it. Again, I love the little case. This was $4 at Five Below. So thanks so much for watching. And Sally is going to plop down and enjoy some more sunshine. So hope you guys have a great day, and thanks again for watching. These little kits would be great for stocking stuffers and good Christmas gifts for all your creative friends. Thanks. Bye-bye.